welcome to another episode of Being Foodie. After a hustle bustle of a week, Sunday mornings are the bliss. May it be today or back then in school days. But those days, aroma coming from the kitchen was a motivation to wake up early even on a holiday. And when it is as delicious as mango suji halwa or amya shira, it is no less than a treat. Don't you agree with me? Shira, cooked in mango pulp and loaded in desi ghee, is a heavenly affair, isn't it? So today, let's make mango suji halwa or amya shira.
For making mango shira, take half bowl of toop or clarified butter, 1 bowl of semolina, half bowl of sugar, 50 grams raisins, 50 grams diced almonds, half bowl of pure hapus or kesar mango pulp and diced mangoes, 1 bowl milk and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Heat ghee in a pan. And add semolina to it and roast it well. When semolina smells faintly, add raisins and almonds. Then add amras or mango pulp and mango pieces and saute well on low flame. Then take a bowl of milk in another pan. Bring it to boil. And pour that milk into the mixture of shira. Steam for 5 minutes and then stir well. With this, delicious mango shira is ready to mingle with your taste buds.
Sure, just like me, you too are in love with this divine recipe inspired by King of Fruits. In that case, Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon because your encouragement is recipe for our motivation. See you next time with another scrumptious recipe. Keep watching